Okay, today I'm going to show you how to fix a couple of mistakes like the table giving all headers and some lines going crazy and just not doing correctly. So this document right here I saved on my desktop, or I saved it, and it made this line that's right here go all the way over to the left. So that shows me, for one, that it's not in line with text, which makes it hard for a reader to read it, for it to be at 508. So we're going to fix this line, and most likely this line, and then we're going to work on the tables. So first we're going to click on the line. If you get that four-headed arrow and click on it, you can see this pops up that's showing you how it's laid out. So you can either click this right here to get the layout options, or maybe not. Or go up here where it says Drawing Tools, Format, go to Position, and we want it in line with text. So see how you see it jump down and it's in line with the text, but it's not where we want it. So what we're going to do is move it down so it's in line with that text. And this, in turn, went a little crazy. So we're just going to move the indent back to where it should be. I believe that made it jump down a little bit. So we're going to add a little space above it. I know what the problem is. This needs a return. And we're going to change the paragraph spacing on this to nothing and nothing. And you see it doesn't work every time correctly. And we're going to move this one spacing up a little bit. And this one. And it should, no, it's not exactly right either. So we'll try this again. And you can see this is not an exact science. I just know what this is supposed to look like. So that's the reason I'm changing things around. Okay, well, we're going to go with that. So now this one is in line with the text. We're going to go down here, and this one needs to be in line with text also. So Drawing Tools, Format, Position, in line with text. And it actually did pretty well. We want to add a little space in between there. Maybe not 12, let's go with 6. There we go. So now we fixed those two lines. But they probably do not have alternate text behind them. So we're going to right click, Format Shape. And of the Format Shape, we're doing Shape Options, and we go to this little Layout Properties one and open the alternate text if it's not there. And this is just a straight dividing line. I'm going to copy that because I'm going to put it on the same one for the other one. Click on the other one, straight dividing line, because that's really all it is. Now we're going to go down here to this table and see what its problem is. So you can see this is a table right here. I'm going to click on the arrows that give us the whole table. We're going to go look at the design, and Word automatically adds all this stuff to it. We really don't want it banded rows or banded columns or the first column. What we really want is the header row. So I'm taking all of them off, clicking away, clicking back on it, and going back to the design and clicking on the header row. So now I'm going to highlight what I want to be the header row. I'm going to layout, and then I'm going to click repeat header rows. So now only that will be the header rows. These other ones will not show up that way. Okay, and that would be all for today. And if we have any questions, please just email me. Thank you.